Hello everyone, I'm Shivali. In this session, what we are going to cover that how we will study at DIY Guru. Okay, कि हम यहाँ इस सेशन में ये समझेंगे कि DIY Guru में हमें कैसे पढ़ाई करनी है. See, at DIY Guru, we have two major methods of learning apart from our hands-on workshop. First is self-paced courses. Second is through live classes. ठीक है. तो फर्स्ट सेल्फ पेस्ड कोर्सेज मींस वो कोर्सेज विच यू कैन डू एट एनी टाइम. सेल्फ पेस्ड कोर्सेज क्या होते हैं जो आप कभी भी अपने हिसाब से अपनी कन्वीनियंस के अकॉर्डिंग कर सकते हो, राइट. एंड नेक्स्ट इज लाइव क्लास विच टेक्स प्लेस एवरी वीक. सो दीज आर द टू मेजर मेथड्स ऑफ लर्निंग. Apart from that, we also have workshop which take place at regular intervals. So, see, we now self-paced courses are hosted on our LMS portal. One second. Yeah. So the self-paced courses are hosted on LMS portal. LMS portal, what is LMS portal? We have a portal where all our courses are uploaded. ठीक है. एक हमारा एक स्टूडेंट एक पोर्टल है जहाँ पे कोर्सेज अपलोड होते हैं. सो all the self-paced courses which are mentioned in your brochure, आपको जो brochure मिला होगा at the time of admission, those self-paced courses are hosted on a portal which is DIY Guru E-Mobility Academy. Okay, it is that portal where all self-paced courses are uploaded. ठीक है. So each one of you has to create an account on that portal. तो एक portal है हमारा DIY Guru E-Mobility Academy. एंड उस पोर्टल पर आप सबको अकाउंट क्रिएट करना होता है एंड देयर यू आर एनरोल्ड इन द कोर्सेज अकॉर्डिंग टू योर प्रोग्राम. ठीक है. तो उस ई मोबिलिटी एकेडमी में आपको आपके कोर्सेज के अकॉर्डिंग आपके प्रोग्राम में एनरोल किया जाता है इन अ पर्टिकुलर सीक्वेंस. नेक्स्ट इज लाइव क्लासेस. लाइव क्लासेस we have a timetable for live class. All right, just like we have timetable for just like we have timetable at for what for at just like we have timetable at our colleges, at our schools, similarly we have a timetable for live classes at DIY Guru. ठीक है. DIY Guru में भी live classes के लिए एक timetable होती है. Okay, and where you will find that timetable, I'll show you. So in this session we are going to cover, yes, sure. In this session, what we are going to cover first how we carry out our self-paced courses. हमें self-paced courses कैसे पढ़ने हैं E-Mobility Academy पर. And second, how we will attend the live classes. कि हमें live classes कैसे attend करनी है. ठीक है. Now, let me share my screen with you. Okay, let me share my screen with you. One second. Okay, so is my screen visible to everyone? Please give me a thumbs up if it is. Okay, thanks.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So what happens now, whenever you take admission with us, we send you a welcome onboarding mail. जब भी आप हमारे साथ एडमिशन लेते हैं तो आपको एक वेलकम ऑनबोर्डिंग मेल सेंड किया जाता है. Okay, in that welcome onboarding mail we provide you details like what is your program name, what is the duration of your program, a dedicated your link to the dedicated WhatsApp group, and the steps which you should follow to create an account on E-Mobility Academy. So जब भी आप एडमिशन लेते हैं, वन सेकेंड प्रशांत. सो जब भी आप एडमिशन लेते हैं DIY Guru में, आपको एक वेलकम ऑनबोर्डिंग मेल आएगा. एंड व्हाट इन्फॉर्मेशन दैट वेलकम ऑनबोर्डिंग मेल कंटेन, क्या क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन होगी इस वेलकम ऑनबोर्डिंग मेल में. व्हाट इज योर प्रोग्राम नेम, आपको प्रोग्राम का नाम क्या है, उसकी ड्यूरेशन क्या है, बिकॉज DIY Guru ऑफर्स 12-month प्रोग्राम, 6-month प्रोग्राम, 3-month प्रोग्राम. ठीक है. सो वी मेंशन योर ड्यूरेशन एज वेल. We mention we provide you the link of a dedicated WhatsApp group. आप सबको एक WhatsApp group में ऐड किया जाएगा. Okay. हाँ जी आसिफ, just 1 second. Okay. And next is that how you have to create an account on E-Mobility Academy. ठीक है. So I'm sharing my screen with you. Is it visible? Is it visible? Is my screen visible?
Not visible.
संजय जी, मैंने तो it is visible to others. See, can anyone
No,
please
ma'am, not
confirm if it
visible.
is visible or not?
Not visible.
Okay. Let me share my screen again. Is my screen visible now? अब screen visible
No.
है?
नहीं है मैम, नहीं है.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अभिषेक को कैसे दिख रही है स्क्रीन?
किसी और को screen दिख रही है?
मैम आपका स्क्रीन विजिबल हो रहा है.
This can also see my screen.
सर्वर इशू आ रहा होगा किसी को.
मैम
किसी का
हमने
network
मोबाइल
issue.
मैंने मोबाइल से ज्वाइन किया है, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं ना कि मोबाइल में नहीं दिखेगा स्क्रीन.
नहीं, ऐसा तो नहीं होता है. स्क्रीन तो दिखना चाहिए.
हाँ, दिखना चाहिए. करेक्ट.
किस किस को इशू?
मैडम आपका स्क्रीन तो दिखाई दे रहा है मगर मिरर इमेज आ रही है.
Call me. Screen is visible. I have joined through mobile.
Ma'am, you're sharing your WhatsApp screen, right?
Yes, now visible.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, now visible मैम.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay. All right then. All right. ठीक है. So I will start with this. So as you can see, this is DIY Guru January 2026 Advanced Long-Term Program. ठीक है? Yeah. So what happens now? We will add you to this group, DIY Guru Jan 2026 Advanced Long-Term Program. जब आप
मैडम
इस
अभी
ग्रुप नेम पे क्लिक करोगे, हाँ जी,
नहीं, ये स्क्रीन सीन नहीं हो रहा.
हाँ जी. बट अब तो आई थिंक स्टूडेंट्स को हो रही है स्क्रीन विजिबल.
Yeah, madam, screen is visible, but there is a problem of mirror image is seen.
Mirror.
Mirror
Okay,
means
okay, okay. Let me
one
rejoin.
screen is repeatedly. Yeah.
अच्छा अच्छा. Let me rejoin it 1 second. 1 second. Is it okay now? अब ठीक है?
Yes मैम, visible.
आपको मिरर इशू तो नहीं आ रहा है?
नहीं आ रहा.
Okay, okay. So I'll continue with the session now. Okay. Give me thumbs up. I'll continue with the session now. Okay, all right. I'll continue with the session. Thank you. Huh? हाँ जी योजना. Yes. Okay, I'll start with the session now. So what I was saying now, we have what? Live classes. Okay. We have self-paced courses and we have live classes. एक self-paced courses होते हैं and एक live classes होती हैं. ठीक है? As you can see, this is DIY Guru January 2026 Advanced Long-Term Program. All right. Now. Okay. Yeah. So what happens is that, yeah, this is DIY Guru Jan 2026 Advanced Long-Term Program. Now, where you will find the live class planner? आपको कहाँ मिलेगा? आपको कैसे पता चलेगा what live classes you have to attend? ठीक है? How you will get to know? आपको ऐसे पता चलेगा that look at this. This is the group name. If you click on the group name, अगर आप group name पर click करोगे, you will find what? In the group name, you will find some important documents attached. ठीक है? Group name पे आपको कुछ important documents attached मिलेंगे, as you can see. ठीक है? Now, on the right side, this is your DIY Guru Jan 2026. First document which is attached here is live class planner. ठीक है? Yeah. Okay. First document attached here is live class planner. ये पहला document जो attached है वो live class planner है. Let us open this link. Now, This is the live class planner. As you can see, this is a Google sheet and this live class planner is updated every week. ये live class planner हर Monday को update होता है, ठीक है? This live class planner is updated every week और हर Monday को update होता है. It is a weekly timetable basically. So मैंने क्या किया? I'll repeat. What did I do? This is your DIY Guru Jan 2026. When you click on it, when you click on the group name, on the right side a window will appear. आप इस जब group name पे click करोगे, yeah. So when you click on this group name, okay, window will appear. एक window appear करेगा, and in this window you will find some important documents attached. First document is your live class planner. पहला document कौन सा होगा? Live class planner होगा, ठीक है? Let us click on the live class planner. Okay. Now you have to come to row number 15. आपको कहाँ पे आना है? Row number 15 पे आना है. This is the row number 15. As you can see in this row number 15, a timetable begins. इस row number 15 से एक timetable start हो जाता है, ठीक है? So this is what, this is the timetable for 1 week. Okay, ये 1 week के लिए timetable है. For example, as you can see, ये वाला timetable है 5th से कब तक का? 11th of January का, ठीक है? And 11th is Sunday, right? So this planner is मतलब 5th को ही update हुआ था. 5th क्या था? Monday था. As you can see, 5th was Monday, and it is from 5th till 11th. All right. So it will be updated again on 12th. ये हर Monday को it is updated. Our live class planner is updated on every Monday. Okay, for 1 week. Monday से लेकर next Sunday तक update होता है. Then it is updated every Monday. ठीक है? So this live class planner contains what? Weekly class information. Now, these are the topics to be covered. What are these topics to be covered? Basically, topics to be covered mention that what classes we take place at DIY Guru. Okay? कि कौन सी classes DIY Guru में होती है. मैं आपको बताऊंगी ऊपर से कि what classes we conduct at DIY Guru. See, live classes are organized in such a way that we cover major domains of EV technology. Live classes को इस तरह से organize किया गया है कि all the major domains of EV technology are covered. For example, as you can see, one live class is on battery. Okay. Another live class is on EV essentials, which covers the fundamentals of EV. Another live class again is on EV. Next is on STM32. What is STM32 basically? This is a microcontroller which is highly used in automotive industry. EV automotive industry में STM32 का बहुत use होता है. ठीक है? So this is the foundational class for this microcontroller. Then we have charging technology. What is this charging technology? This charging technology focuses on charging. Okay, placement session. Then we have ANSYS class. ANSYS is a very advanced class. Is a software used by mechanical engineers mostly in EV domain. ANSYS. Then we have fundamental of embedded C. We have our program, for example, our PG program. The PG program. It covers embedded part as well, apart from the normal EV technology. जो हमारा 12-month PG program है, उसमें embedded भी काफी cover होता है. Okay. Then we have again battery technology. आप कहेंगे मैम 2 battery technology क्यों? Because 1 battery technology is in हिंदी. ठीक है? एक battery technology हिंदी में चल रही है for those students who find it difficult. Okay. Next is, and this battery technology is in English. All right. Then we have motor and drive system. Again, motor is a domain in EV technology. Then we have battery modeling using MATLAB. Okay. This is an advanced class. All right. Again, STM32. Yeah. So see, these live classes are organized in such a way that they cover major domains of EV technology. In coming month, we are going to add more live classes. For example, we are going to add live class on ADAS. We are going to add live class on AutoSAR. Okay. Advanced powertrain development. Iska batch finish ho gaya tha. Then it will start again, I think in the February month. MATLAB class will start as well. Okay. So this list is not complete. We have live class on SolidWorks as well. Okay. So these are the topics that we cover at DIY Guru. Now you must be thinking, ma'am, how it won't be possible for us? Yeah. You must be thinking, ma'am, that it won't be possible for us. Okay, sorry. Yeah, it won't be possible for you to attend all the classes, right? आप लोगों के लिए नहीं होगा possible सारी live class attend करना. तो how, what will happen now? आप कैसे करोगे फिर attend? So, see, the Jan batch, as you can see, you read this, mandatory batches. We have second column, which is known as mandatory batches. What does it mean? See, whenever we schedule our live class ना, we invite older batches as well to attend that class. जब भी हम कोई नई लाइव क्लास शेड्यूल करते हैं ना, हम ओल्ड बैचेस को भी, मतलब लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल दिसंबर को, नवंबर 2025 को, अक्टूबर 2025 सबको इनवाइट करते टू अटेंड दिस क्लास. क्यों? बिकॉज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऐसा होता है कई बार दैट वी हैव वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स, राइट? मोस्ट ऑफ यू मस्ट बी वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स, दे मिस अ पर्टिकुलर लाइव क्लास. ऐसा होता है कई बार कि वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल बिकॉज ऑफ देयर जॉब एंड ऑल वो लाइव क्लास अटेंड नहीं कर पाते हैं. ठीक है? सो व्हेनेवर वी शेड्यूल द लाइव क्लास फ्रेश, वी प्रोवाइड देम अपॉर्चुनिटी टू अटेंड दैट क्लास अगेन. जैसे आप में से कोई सपोज जनवरी में क्लास नहीं अटेंड कर पाया लाइव क्लास, तो आफ्टर 1 मंथ इफ यू कम टू मी ना कि मैम मैं ये अटेंड नहीं कर पाया क्लास, मुझे दोबारा अटेंड करनी है, व्हाट आई विल डू, whenever I start the next batch of that particular live class, I will invite January batch also. ठीक है? तो अगर मार्च में मैंने सपोज करो कोई एक ऐसी क्लास स्टार्ट करी जो जनवरी के लिए भी स्टार्ट की थी, तो मैं आप लोगों को दोबारा इनवाइट करूंगी, so that you get to revise those live classes, and if you miss the live classes in your batch, तो आप उसको दोबारा अटेंड करो. ठीक है? So this live class planner, you know, is common for all. ये live class planner सबके लिए common होता है. Now, next point that I want to say, yeah, so you must be thinking, ma'am, then what classes is meant for your batch? कि आप जनवरी बैच कौन सा क्लास अटेंड करेगा? तो जनवरी बैच कौन सा क्लास अटेंड करेगा उसको कैसे पता चलेगा? यू रीड दिस मैंडेटरी बैच कॉलम. आप इस मैंडेटरी बैच का पढ़ना या फिर क्लास डिस्क्रिप्शन रीड करना. आई शो एन एग्जांपल. लुक एट दिस. बैटरी टेक्नोलॉजी, इट इज रिटन हियर इन द ब्रैकेट फॉर बैचेस टिल नवंबर 2025. ठीक है? इसका मतलब क्या है कि batches up to November 2025 are invited to join this class. तो January 2026 इस class को attend नहीं करेगा. All right. Similarly, we have what? Okay, it's arch considerator. Okay, yeah. All right. Similarly, look at this. EV STM32 embedded essential class. See, मैं आपको बताती हूँ 3 टाइप की live classes हैं. ठीक है? First is foundational live classes, second is intermediate live classes, third is advanced live classes. ठीक है? Foundational live classes cover foundational concept. For example, EV fundamentals. Okay, EV charging, but it will be covered after EV fundamentals. Nothing to worry about. Okay, even EV battery. All right. These are foundational as in कि in the first 2 months we will provide our students these 3 classes. हम अपने बच्चों को ये classes देंगे so that it doesn't get too difficult for them, ताकि उनको ज्यादा मुश्किल ना हो जाए समझने में. ठीक है? उसके बाद we have intermediate classes. Intermediate classes means whose difficulty level increases a bit, जिनकी difficulty level थोड़ी बढ़ जाती है. For example, कौन सी classes है वो? EV electronics, MATLAB. Okay, MATLAB is a software class. Embedded system, we have a class on embedded system as well, 8085, 8051 and Arduino. Okay, so these are the intermediate class. After 2 months मैं आप लोगों को ये classes दूंगी, intermediate class. All right, and then after 3 to 4 months I will provide you advanced classes. Advanced classes like STM32 class, advanced ANSYS class, SolidWorks class. Okay, battery modeling using MATLAB class. So you know, these live classes are arranged in such a manner, first of all, that they cover major domains of EV technology. Second, we schedule the classes in such a way that a January batch will cover the classes in a sequence. In a sequence means we will first provide you foundational classes for the first 2 months. पहले 2 महीने में हम आपको foundational classes ही देंगे, which is your EV fundamentals, battery technology and charging technology. And after 2 months, that is 3 to 4 months में हम आपको intermediate class देंगे. We will provide you intermediate class. For example, MATLAB, for example, EV electronics, for example, embedded system. Okay, and after 4 to 5 months, we will provide you advanced classes. ठीक है? Okay, so if you see now, look at this STM32. Look at this. What does it say? Batches till July 2025. देख रहे हो आप? ये class अभी start हुई है 25th of December को. But we have invited only batches till July 2025. Why? Because we thought कि स्टूडेंट अभी मतलब नवंबर, दिसंबर, इवन जनवरी 2026 का स्टूडेंट इज नॉट एट ऑल मैच्योर टू अटेंड दिस क्लास. उनको बहुत मुश्किल पड़ेगी क्लास समझने में. ठीक है? नेक्स्ट इज ओके एनसिस क्लास. लुक एट दिस क्लास आल्सो स्टार्टेड रिसेंटली. देखो स्टार्ट डेट लिखी है यहाँ पे. व्हेन डिड दिस क्लास स्टार्ट? दिस क्लास स्टार्टेड 25th of December, बट ओनली बैचेस टिल जून 2025 आर इनवाइटेड. सिर्फ जून तक के बच्चे इनवाइट किए गए हैं. ठीक है? जनवरी बैच, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, इवन दिसंबर बैच इज नॉट इनवाइटेड. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट इज अ एडवांस क्लास. ये टफ क्लास है. ठीक है? ऑलराइट. बैटरी टेक्नोलॉजीज फॉर बैचेस टिल नवंबर 2025. व्हेन दिस बैच विल एंड, आप सोचोगे कि मैम अब ये मैं कब अटेंड करूंगा बैटरी टेक्नोलॉजी. As soon as this batch end, I will start the battery technology in the month of February for my January batch student. मैं February month में battery technology class का fresh batch start करूंगी and then I will invite the January batch to attend the battery class. ठीक है? So in this way, no batch will ever miss out any important class. कोई batch कोई भी class important class miss नहीं करेगा. But yes, in the first 2 months we take it bit slow. हम थोड़ा धीरे चलते हैं. In fact, we are also conscious कि बच्चों को कुछ ऐसा ना लगे, tough ना लगे. ठीक है? All right. So what class you have to attend right now? आप लोगों को अभी कौन सी क्लास अटेंड करनी है? Where your batch is invited. See, देखते हैं, let us read the class description. एक तो ये यहाँ पे लिखा है EV चार्जिंग टेक्नोलॉजी बैचेस टिल Jan 2026. I will change it. ये आपको अटेंड नहीं करनी है, ठीक है? ये वाली अटेंड नहीं करनी, I'll change it. Okay, ये मैं रेक्टिफाई करा दूंगी. So which class you have to attend right now? You have to attend this class. See, इन स्टूडेंट्स ने भी क्या Okay, EV essential class. ठीक है, यहाँ पे it must be 2026. I'll get it rectified, these two things. So I'll tell you, in 1 week for the month of January, you will attend 2 technical classes. ठीक है? In the month of January month में आपको 2 technical class attend करनी है every week. So from Monday onwards, आपकी 2 technical classes will be scheduled per week. Okay, apart from that, you will have a placement session or business communication class. ठीक है? So total you will have around 3 to 4 classes every week in the month of January. ठीक है? I repeat, in the month of January, from Monday onwards, you will attend 3 to 4 technical classes per week. Okay, sorry, 3 to 4 classes per week, जिसमें से 2 will be technical, 1 will be placement session or business communication class. ठीक है? Business communication class is taken by our guest faculty who teaches the students on how to write email, how to develop personality, all right, how to appear for the interviews, all right. And placement session is on how to optimize your LinkedIn, how to prepare for the resume, what are the skills which are expected by the companies. Okay, so placement session talks about that. So what are the 2 technical classes that you will attend? January batch will attend EV fundamentals. Okay. Okay, 2 EV fundamental class will take place for you from Monday onwards. ठीक है? 2 technical classes आपके लिए होंगी, which is EV fundamentals. Okay, we will be organizing 2 EV fundamental classes. Okay, for the month of January every week. ठीक है? और बिल्कुल भी परेशान नहीं होना. You will get an opportunity to attend all these classes. आपको सारे subjects cover होंगे, but one by one. Okay, we tried to give, I'll be honest with you friends, we tried to give this EV charging technology to Jan batch, लेकिन the students found it bit difficult. बच्चों को थोड़ा सा difficult लगा, तो उन्होंने कहा it's okay, we'll cover it later on. हाँ जी.
I have one question. Is
Yes.
Live classes also recorded?
Yes. Okay, in case if you are unable to attend the live class, I'll provide you the recording as well. In fact, what do we do? I'll show you something. One second, huh? See, what do we do? हम क्या करते हैं? I'll provide you the recording sheet as well. मैं आपको recording sheet भी दूंगी, मतलब बताऊंगी कहाँ से होता है. And हम क्या करते हैं? हम ऐसे भी कर लेते हैं कि I show you one recording sheet as well, which is attached in the group. And we also prepare recording sheet in this way कि हमने जैसे आपकी EV fundamentals हुई ना, मैं इस तरह से आप लोगों की जितनी भी classes होंगी at the end of the January, आपको ऐसे recording sheet दे दूंगी. So that you get all the recordings at one place. All right, now. Okay, so I'll repeat. Yes, one more thing. You will get notification for all the classes. मैं आपको बता दूं. Even though you should not attend all the classes. मतलब आपको सारी class का notification आएगा. क्यों आएगा notification? Because we believe that our student must know that what live classes are going on in DIY Guru. हमें लगता है कि हर बच्चे को पता होना चाहिए, चाहे वो बिगिनर क्यों ना हो, कि कौन सी क्लासेस DIY गुरु में चल रही है. ठीक है? So, but you have to attend only those which are meant for January batch. आपको सिर्फ वो ही क्लासेस अटेंड करनी है जो Jan batch के लिए है. ठीक है? और वो कौन सी क्लास कैसे पता चलेगा? You will read the class description. आप सिर्फ class description read करना. ठीक है? EV essential, it should be 2026. I'll get it rectified. ठीक है? On Monday, it will be updated. मंडे को प्लानर अपडेट होगा तो ये आई रिमूव दिस मिस्टेक एंड एज सून एज द प्लानर इज अपडेटेड ना आई ड्रॉप द नोटिफिकेशन इन योर जनवरी बैच ग्रुप. मैं जनवरी बैच ग्रुप में आई paste a notification that dear student please find a weekly planner for your for this week where I'll mention the classes that you have to attend ताकि आपको इस planner से भी confusion ना हो. ठीक है? I often do
And
it even
ma'am,
for
all
the हाँ जी
hello.
हाँ जी
Yeah, ma'am. All the classes conduct in the evening only, right?
yes from Monday to Saturday all the classes are conducted after 7:30 p.m. Okay. Monday to Saturday, all the classes are conducted after 7:30 p.m. But on Sundays, we conduct it in the afternoon, in the morning. Okay. Like for example, motor technology is scheduled for Sunday, which is for December batch, up to December batch, not for your batch. Okay, scheduled for Sunday at 10 a.m. in the morning. 10 baje hoti hai. Okay, so only on Sundays it takes place in morning or afternoon or evening. But from Monday to Saturday, it takes place after 7:30 p.m. Okay. Now, I'll show you something. हाँ, मैं आप लोगों को कुछ बताने वाली थी. जैसे see this is your November batch. देखो, you know we drop notification like this. ये मैं आपको example दे रही हूँ कि देखो कि you know we provide notification like this so the student do not miss their live class. Before the live class, we provide the notification. Not only this, I'll show you. Okay, like every week na, but whenever the planner is updated, see, look at this. जैसे कोई भी, either me or Satyam sir, we will update you about your live classes in this way, so that अगर आप planner भी नहीं देखा आपने Monday को, okay, so that you get to know, all right, that this is your live class and that you have to attend it. ठीक है? Now, so what are the information this live class planner contains? It contains a class time. ठीक है? Class time भी होती है कि भाई कौन से दिन में कौन सी class scheduled है. Okay. For example, placement session is scheduled for 7th of January. It was scheduled for 7th of January. What day it was scheduled? Wednesday. 7th of January को Wednesday था. And timing is also mentioned. ठीक है? That is 9:30 to 10:30 p.m. All right. Timing is also mentioned. I'll tell you about the faculty. मैं आपको faculty introduce कराती हूँ. Saurabh sir. He takes our embedded C class, embedded system class. Yeah. Okay. In fact, he's the ADAS AUTOSAR faculty. He's the one who has developed the ADAS AUTOSAR course. He's a very good experience in automotive industry. You know, worked in Saudi Arab, and he's a very intelligent person. Satyam sir, he takes battery technology class in Hindi. Okay. Divyani ma'am will cover your EV fundamentals. Divyani ma'am is like
Hello ma'am, sorry to interrupt you. So this timetable is only for Jan month. Like I can see only topics. Rest of the topics will be updated as per like time comes. Means AUTOSAR and all those I didn't see in the timetable.
Lakshmi, firstly, we will teach you the EVV fundamentals and MATLAB. Without MATLAB, you are not able to learn basically ADAS and AUTOSAR. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. No, continue, Shivali.
Yeah. Thank you.
Anji. Sorry, my system got hanged in between. Sorry. Yeah. So what I was saying, this planner is common for all the batches. ये planner सब में common होता है, ठीक है? And how you will get to know which class you have to attend? You will see the mandatory batches, ठीक है? If it is mentioned कि January batch, look at this, see, EV Essential is scheduled for batches till January 2026. I'll get it rectified, so you will get to know. And one more thing, nothing to worry about, Lakshmi. You know, on the first day of the week, that is Monday, I will drop a notification कि what classes you have to attend in a week, so that you do not get confused. ठीक है? मैं हर Monday को एक notification drop कर दिया करूंगी कि भाई कौन कौन सी classes आपको attend करनी है ताकि आप कुछ miss ना कर पाओ और कोई confusion भी ना हो. ठीक है? Okay. So I'll tell you about the faculty. Look at this. Like Divyani ma'am, she will cover your EV fundamentals. Divyani ma'am की class आपको attend करनी है EV fundamental. Ashutosh sir is expert faculty in STM32. ठीक है? He takes workshop on STM32. पूरा इनको STM32 पे है. Rahul sir is your mechanical faculty. Okay, he knows, he is very well versed in ANSYS हो गया, SolidWorks हो गया, Powertrain हो गया. Even all the workshops, you know, is conducted by Rahul sir. Not under his supervision only. Shivani ma'am, she is placement and HR head. ठीक है? Saurabh sir, I already told you, he takes classes embedded C, embedded 8085, everything about embedded and ADAS AUTOSAR. Vashil sir is expert in battery technology. अरमान सर इज वेरी गुड एक्सपर्ट एट मैटलैब, ये बहुत अच्छे लाइक मैटलैब पढ़ाते हैं, काफी एक्सपीरियंस है ये. All right, we have a business communication class as well, which is taken by Hardeep sir. He is a guest faculty. All right, so this is how you have these faculties. Now, how you will join a class? कैसे join करोगे आप class को? See, all these classes are organized on Google Meet. ठीक है? सबसे पहले तो आप सबको you have to install Google Calendar app in your mobile phone. अपने mobile phone में Google Calendar app install करना. ठीक है? What I'll do, I'll take all of your email IDs and add to a Google group. मैं आप सबकी email IDs एक Google group में add कर दूंगी. And whenever I'll schedule a class, जब भी मैं क्लास शेड्यूल करूंगी ना, I will add that group as a guest. ठीक है, मैं उस ग्रुप को एज अ गेस्ट ऐड करूंगी. इससे क्या होता है ना, you will get a notification in your email whenever I will schedule a class. ठीक है, आपकी जब भी मैं क्या कहते हैं, हाँ, क्लास में नोटिफिकेशन, I mean, जब भी मैं क्लास शेड्यूल करूंगी, your email ID will automatically be invited for that particular class. ठीक है, आपकी ईमेल आईडी ऑटोमेटिकली इनवाइट होगी उस पर्टिकुलर क्लास के लिए. आई शो यू
one more thing, ma'am. Hello.
हाँ जी. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. With the main course of subject, can we also get to know what content in the class going to teach?
Yes, we can ask the. Of course, we can. You know, in the first introductory class. Yeah, in the first introductory
Like
class,
they're mentioned
the first introductory
main course of the classes. With that course, what content we are going to get learn from the every
yes,
student?
definitely. Yes. See, in the first session, na,
Okay.
जैसे for example, EV fundamental class will take place. Okay. So Divyani ma'am, you can ask Divyani ma'am at the end, मतलब towards the end of the class, so ma'am just mention the topics that you are going to cover in this EV fundamentals. Okay. And ma'am will provide you the entire list, whatever topic she is going to cover. ठीक है? Or even I'll also inform the ma'am. I'll also inform ma'am to prepare this, you know, in a PDF before the class, and she will share you in the class. ठीक है? Okay. Okay. So, हाँ जी. So all you have to do ना, देखो, तो हम क्या करेंगे, आपको सारी क्लासेस का नोटिफिकेशन आएगा. You will receive the notification for all the live classes. But please remember, you have to only those classes which are meant for January batch. आपको सिर्फ वही क्लास अटेंड करनी है जो January batch के लिए है. हम ऐसा, why we are doing this? Because we do not want our students to find any concepts tougher. ठीक है, मतलब I don't want कि students को लगे कि अरे तो tough class है. So we do not want to give you any tough class. So you have to strictly attend those classes which are meant for January batch, unless you are highly experienced working professional who has already worked with MATLAB or ANSYS or embedded. ठीक है, जब तक आप काफी experienced working professional नहीं हो ना, तब तक please वही class attend करना जो आपके batch के लिए. ठीक है, in the month of January you will be attending 2 technical classes per week. January में आपको 2 technical class attend करोगे आप हर हफ्ते, which is EV fundamentals. Okay. EV fundamentals भी हम दो बार कराएंगे, मतलब 2 classes लेंगे दिव्यानी मैम. And you will attend one more non-technical class, which is art placement session or business communication class. Okay, every week in January. So you will have around 3 to 4 classes in the month of January. In the month of February, I will increase the number of technical class. मैं आपकी उसमें बैटरी भी ऐड कर दूंगी और चार्जिंग भी, which I feel लोगों को टफ ना लगे. ठीक है? Okay, so your technical classes will increase from 2 to 3 to 4. ठीक है? And from 3rd month onwards, I will give you intermediate class. Intermediate class means MATLAB, embedded system, all right, electronics, all right. Then ऐसे ऐसे करके आपकी live classes will keep on, technical classes will keep increasing every month. ठीक है? Now, how you will attend the live class, आपको कैसे करनी है. For example, आज मैं I'm just giving you an example. Today we have battery technology class. आज हमारी battery technology class है. As you can see, 10th of January, Saturday at 9 p.m. So, and it will be taken by Vashil sir. कैसे attend करते हैं class? ये meeting link दे. This is the meeting link. So what you will do, you will see. Okay, I'm just giving you an example. आपको नहीं करनी है class attend. This is not for your batch. See, it is written here. Batch is till November लिखा है ना. ये आपके लिए नहीं है. Okay, but I'm just giving you an example how you have to attend the class. Just right पे आना and click on it. Click on the meeting link. And when you click on the meeting link, you can always join the class easily. ठीक है? दैट्स इट, आपको आप ऐसे क्लास ज्वाइन कर पाओगे. सो यू हैव टू वेज. ठीक है, आपके पास दो तरीके हैं. या तो आप यू ओपन द प्लानर, यू विल फाइंड द मीटिंग लिंक ऑफ एवरी क्लास एंड यू हैव टू अटेंड ओनली दोज व्हिच इज मेंट फॉर जनवरी बैच. आप ओपन करो प्लानर को और अपना मीटिंग लिंक ओपन कर दो. या फिर और क्या कर सकते हो आप, ऑल ऑफ यू इंस्टॉल गूगल कैलेंडर ऐप. Once you have installed Google Calendar app in your mobile phone, I will add all of your email ID to a Google group. मैं आप सबकी email ID Google group में डाल दूंगी. जब मैं Google group में डाल दूंगी, तब क्या करना होगा, whenever I will schedule the class from the next week onwards, ना, you will automatically receive an invite. आपको automatically invite receive होगा. I'll show you. See, this is my calendar, हाँ? Look at this, friends. ये मेरा calendar है. Once you have installed the Google Calendar app, ना, जब आप Google Calendar app install कर दोगे, go to this calendar.google.com. I will share the screenshot. मैं आपको screenshot share कर दूंगी. Okay? Go to calendar.google.com. ठीक है? Now, once you go to calendar.google.com, after you have installed Google Calendar app, आपने Google Calendar app install कर दिया. I will share the tutorial on how to install Google Calendar app in your mobile phone. मैं tutorial भी share कर दूंगी. ठीक है? आपको क्या करना है? एक बार इंस्टॉल कर दिया, go to this calendar.google.com. I will share this step as well. मैं steps भी share कर दूंगी. Now, second step is go to settings menu. Settings पे जाना आप लोग. ठीक है, ये आप सबको करना पड़ेगा. All of you have to do it. Go to settings. जब आप settings पे जाओगे, जब आप settings पे जाओगे, go to event settings. I will share the screenshot. ठीक है, मैं screenshot share कर दूंगी इन steps का. I will go to event settings. Event settings पे जाएंगे. Event settings पे क्या होता है, आपको ये चेंज करना होगा, add invitation to my calendar. Usually what happens ना, अगर आप इसको देखोगे, आपके केस में ये सिलेक्टेड होगा, only if the sender is known. ये Google Calendar ने by default ये सिलेक्ट कर रखा होता है, only if the sender is known. तो you have to change this only if the sender is known to this from everyone. आपको from everyone चूज करना होगा. इससे क्या होता है ना, whenever I will invite you as a guest to attend my live class, you will be able to receive the invitation on your calendar. ठीक है, I'll repeat, मैं आपको बताती हूँ दोबारा से. Let us go to again, मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. See, either you open this planner, आप इस planner को open करो हर week and check करो कि ठीक है, this class is meant for, I'll attend it on that day. And you will just click on this meeting link. या फिर install the Google Calendar app. Once you install the Google Calendar app, I will add all of your email ID to a Google group. मैं सबकी email ID Google group में add कर दूंगी. And whenever I will schedule a class, जब भी मैं कोई class schedule करूंगी, you will also receive the invite. आपको भी invite मिलेगा. तो उसके लिए ना, you will have to change Google Calendar settings. आपको Google Calendar settings change करनी होगी. Okay? Which I just told you. I'll repeat again. ठीक है, जब आपने सेटिंग्स चेंज करोगे ना, देखो आपके कैलेंडर में भी ऐसी क्लासेस विजिबल होंगी. Look at this. Battery technology batches till November 2025. ठीक है, ये आपको अटेंड नहीं करनी होगी. क्यों? क्योंकि इसमें November 2025 तक है. Look at the 11th. Look at this 11th. Yeah. See, motor and drive system batches till December 2025. आपको भी ऐसी क्लासेस विजिबल हो जाएंगी. ओके, इससे आपको इजीली पता चल जाएगा. बस you have to click on this and you will be able to join a class. And ये भी पता चल जाएगा whether it's or not. Look at the description. Batches till December 2025. इसका मतलब ये आपके लिए नहीं है. Battery modeling using MATLAB batches till June 2025. Again, it means this is not for you. All right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this is how we know how we have to attend the live classes. ठीक है, मैं आपको देखो, मैं आपको एक चीज बताती हूँ. मैंने नवंबर बैच में भी सारे स्टेप शेयर किए थे. 1 second, I'll show you. Yeah, this is the media. Yeah, look at this. I will share the same screenshot. Step 1, after you have installed the Google Calendar app, step go to calendar.google.com. Step 2, go to settings icon. Settings icon पे जाना है. Then step 3, this is step 3. Look at my cursor. Go to the event setting. And step 4, add invitation to my calendar में choose करो from everyone. That's it. And save your settings. उसके बाद you will be able to see the notifications like this. ठीक है? This is how we do what? इस तरह से लाइव क्लासेस शेड्यूल होती है, यू विल रिसीव द नोटिफिकेशन. नाउ लेट्स सपोज इफ यू मिस्ड अ लाइव क्लास, अगर आपने कोई लाइव क्लास मिस कर दी, ठीक है, नाउ व्हाट वी डू, आप रिकॉर्डिंग मांगोगे, राइट? सो वी हैव क्रिएटेड अ रिकॉर्डिंग शीट. Yeah. Okay. So we have created a recording sheet, and where you will find the recording sheet. Yeah. Where you will find the recording sheet, I'll show you. This is your Jan batch. Here is the recording sheet. ठीक है, ये रही आपकी recording sheet. We'll open the sheet. देखो, this was the 2025 sheet, and we'll be creating now for the January 20, not January, but for the year 2026. हम एक new recording sheet बना रहे हैं अभी, and आपको मिल जाएगा वो भी, Monday को ही मिल जाएगा ये सब, ठीक है? Let me open it. Just let me show you किस तरीके से होगी recording sheet. In fact, हम क्या करने वाले हैं ना, हम planner भी ऐसा करने वाले हैं कि we will put these. Okay, leave it. I will talk about that later. One second, huh? Let me open this recording sheet. All right, yeah. See, look at this recording sheet. ठीक है? Don't worry, ये तो दिसंबर की है, तो अभी ऐसे कोई क्लास हुई नहीं है, तो एक हुई थी EV fundamental, but that too introductory, so nothing to worry about. All right, but I just want to show you कि how to check the recordings of any class. कि recordings कैसे check करते हैं किसी class की, मैं just आपको ये बताना चाह रही हूँ. For example, आपने सोचा कि आपको recording होगी, just an example, ठीक है? You open the recording sheet, आपने recording sheet open, ऐसा open हो गया. Look at my cursor, ये cursor देखना. See, what we do ना, we separate recordings by month. मतलब हम जैसे नवंबर में जितनी क्लासेस हुई उसकी recordings were placed here, दिसंबर में जितनी क्लासेस हुई उसकी recordings were placed here. All right. आपने सोचा okay, I'm just giving you an example कि मैम I wanted to see embedded C recording. मुझे embedded C की recording देखनी है. And suppose आप देखना चाह रहे थे दिसंबर की recording, ठीक है? All right. Yeah. तो आप देख रहे हो, as you can see, we have divided the recording sheet in what month wise. हमने हर month का recordings एक place पे रहता है. Now December गया, December 2025 का, तो as you can see in this December 2025 recording sheet, what we have done ना, and like I said, कि the planner is updated every week. जो planner है वो weekly planner है, वो planner हर हफ्ते update होता है, right? तो this is the first planner, first as in first week of December 1st to December 7th, ठीक है? अब मैं if I scroll down a bit, one second. Now, okay, तो आप देखो, we are in this month of December 2025. Look at my cursor, ठीक है? हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया ना, आप देख रहे हो, we have pasted weekly timetable as it is. हमने weekly timetable recording sheet में as it is paste कर दिया, December 16 to December 28, ठीक है? अब आपने कहा कि मैम I wanted to watch, I'm just giving an example. This example बता रही हूँ कि आपको embedded C की recording देखनी, that you want to access the recording of embedded C. So how you would do, you know कि okay, fundamental of embedded C कब देखनी है आपको, which took place in the first week of December. First week of December मतलब यहाँ पे हुई होगी, तो आप इस वीक पे आ गए, right? And then you saw कि अच्छा ठीक है, embedded C की recording देखनी है, आपने कहा this is the embedded C. मिस्टर सौरभ का नेम, जहाँ पे पहले मीटिंग लिंक हुआ करता था प्लानर में, just besides the faculty name you will find the recording of embedded C. Okay, just besides the instructor name you will find the recording. I'll show you.
And ma'am, these recordings will be like saved till the 6 months
Forever.
Like if I have completed forever.
Forever. It has no expiry. It will be like, it is forever. Like you will have the access to these recordings forever. Okay, see. This is the, as you can see, one second. I don't know what is wrong with my internet. And up to, as you can see, AI generates summary as well. This is one very good feature. Okay. ये देखो आप, I'll show you the recording. Okay, see. You can access the recordings like this. Okay. All right. So in this way, you know, you can always access the recording of any what? Of any class. ठीक है? You have to just open the recording sheet. आपको recording sheet पे जाना है. ये अभी तो it is till December 2025 ना. We'll create a new recording sheet for 2026 altogether. Okay, पूरा 2026 का year का नया recording sheet बनाएंगे. And what do we do ना? हम ऐसे करते हैं. Because since a planner is updated every week, तो हर week we paste like this. हम हर week को ऐसे paste करते हैं. And then you can see all right कि भाई this is the particular class जिसकी recording आपको देखनी है. Besides the instructor name, you can click on the class link. ठीक है, which is the recording link. All right, now. Next is what? Next is your software installation guide. What is this? See, you know, जैसे जैसे क्या होता है, you move up in the course, you might need to install certain software. कुछ आपको software installation की जरूरत होगी, like MATLAB, ANSYS, STM32Cube. So whenever it is needed, you can always email at support@diavaguru.org. We'll ask you to book a one-on-one session with our tech team. टेक टीम के साथ आपका एक वन-ऑन-वन सेशन बुक होगा एंड यू कैन गेट योर सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल्ड इन योर लैपटॉप. ठीक है, या all right. And so this was about the live class planner recording sheet. Okay, learning plan of action is basically what is it? I'll provide you a updated learning plan of action. Okay, इसमें भी दिक्कत है. ठीक है, I'll provide you updated learning plan of action. See, you know what happens now. ठीक है, all right, we'll discuss it later. Now, next is, this was about the live class part. Okay, now we will move to second part, which is your LMS, Learning Management Portal. Okay, उससे क्या होता है, you know, you must have received the brochure while you are taking the admission. आप लोगों को brochure definitely counseling team देती है. So whatever course are mentioned.
Are you presenting anything? We are not able to see the screen.
Okay, is my screen visible? Is it visible now?
Your screen is visible.
Not
The
yet.
content is not there. It is looking like you are presenting some another window.
Ma'am, go to the LMS portal, ma'am.
No. I'll
Right
go
now,
to
ma'am
LMS
is not
now.
saving.
Okay.
Now it is saving.
Okay, now I'm going to LMS portal. All right. One second. One second. Okay, is my screen visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So what you all have to do now we'll go to discuss our LMS portal, which is our eMobility Academy. And you know, if you go to eMobility Academy, it is now same as diavaguru.org. So nothing to be confused about. मतलब जब भी आप इस लिंक पे जाओगे eMobility Academy, आप diavaguru.org पर ही डायरेक्ट होंगे. ठीक है? Let me paste the link here. Yeah, let me paste the link here. One second. All of you have to create an account on eMobility Academy. आप सबको eMobility Academy पर account create करना है, ठीक है? Okay. And whenever you go to eMobility Academy, जब भी eMobility Academy पर जाओगे, यहाँ पे क्या होगा? You will be automatically directed to diavaguru.org. Automatically आप diavaguru.org पे direct होंगे, पर परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं. It is one and the same now. ठीक है? We are trying to optimize few things. So हम क्या करेंगे ना? आप कैसे account create करते हैं यहाँ पे? I'll show you. eMobility.academy same as diavaguru.org. Please do not get confused. Confused नहीं होना बिल्कुल भी. Okay, now. Yeah. 1 second, हाँ, या ओके. सो अब क्या करते हैं, इफ आई गो टू, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू ऑल हैव टू क्रिएट एन अकाउंट. अकाउंट कैसे क्रिएट करना है? गो टू eMobility.academy और diabaguru.org. लुक एट माई कर्सर. इफ यू हैव नॉट क्रिएटेड, इट इज अ पोर्टल, ठीक है, ये पोर्टल है जहाँ पे सबको अपना अकाउंट क्रिएट करना है. सो इफ आई क्लिक ऑन दिस साइन अप ऑप्शन, of course I will have to click on the sign up option to create an account. Yeah, okay, yes, this is the student registration page. आपको क्या करना है? You have to enter your first name, enter your last name, enter your username. Username एक username देना, enter your correct email ID, enter your phone number, enter the password, password enter करो and rectify, मतलब confirm your password. ठीक है, password confirm करना है. All right, once you have done this, just click on register. Okay, register पे click करना है. मैंने अभी details नहीं डाली. You have to click on register. As soon as you click on register ना, you will receive a mail. आप जैसे ही register पे click करोगे, आपको email मिलेगा. What is that email? Which says verify your email. आपको email आएगा किस नाम से? Verify your email करके. हाँ, one second. Yeah. आज ही मेरा सिस्टम स्लो कर रहा था. Yeah, one second. Anyways, whatever. ठीक है. So whenever you will click on register, you will receive a verification email in your email ID. आपको क्या आएगा? आपको verification email आएगा आपकी email ID पे. ठीक है. And in that verification email, you will find a activation link. आपको एक link activate करने के लिए बोलेंगे. You will have to activate your account. आपको उसको use करके अपना account activate करना होगा. All right. I wanted to show you that verification email, जो आज मुझे पता नहीं क्यों नहीं दिख रहा है. Anyways, once you have activated your account successfully, एक बार जब आपने account successfully activate कर दिया, you can now sign in. अब आप sign in कर सकते हो. ठीक है. Let me click on sign in option. ठीक है. I have already created my account. मैंने already अपना account create कर रखा है. And I will click on sign in. Let me, yeah. Usually this is not this slow, but I think my internet is a bit slow today. Just bear with me for a few seconds. Yeah. See, once I've successfully signed in ना, this profile icon will appear. इसका मतलब मैंने successfully sign in कर लिया. ठीक. अभी यहाँ पे क्या था? Sign in, sign up आ रहा था ना. Once I've successfully signed in, once I've successfully activated my account and successfully signed in, this profile icon appears. ठीक है. अब कहाँ कर जाना है मुझे? As you can see, ये तो बड़ा सा like something like this. You must be thinking, ma'am, now where I have to go? अब मुझे अपने courses के लिए कहाँ जाना है? Look at my cursor. Go to these 3 dots. आपको ये 3 dots दिखाई देंगे. ठीक है. All right. Go to these 3 dots. 3 dots में you have to go to the dashboard. कहाँ जाना होगा आपको? डैशबोर्ड में. डैशबोर्ड में आपको सारा सब मिलेगा. ठीक है. एंड गो टू योर एनरोल कोर्सेज. ऑलराइट. यू हैव टू गो टू दिस 3. देखो मैं चली गई. ये है मेरा डैशबोर्ड. देख रहे हो आप? दिस इज माय डैशबोर्ड. 3 dots. Then you have to click on dashboard and enroll courses. And once you click on enroll courses, you are here in your account. ठीक है. Now, let me tell you one thing. See, we have 3 types of program. 3 types के program है. For example, we have a PG program, which is a 12-month program. We have a 6-month advanced nano degree program. We have a 3-month professional certification program. ठीक है. Now, what is it? 12-month program, that is PG program, he gets around 15 courses. ठीक है. 12-month program वाले को 15 courses मिलते हैं. 6-month program को he gets around 6 to 7 courses. ठीक है. And for 3-month, he gets around 3 to 4 courses. All right. Now, please let me tell you one thing. None of you is going to get access to all the courses at once. आप सबको सारे courses का access एक साथ नहीं मिलेगा. What does it mean? It means a PG student will not get access to all the courses at once. एक PG student को सारे courses, सारे के सारे 15 courses एक साथ नहीं मिलेंगे. Same goes with advanced nano degree student. Same goes with professional certification program student. ठीक है, all the students will get the access to the courses in a sequence. ठीक है, what does it mean? आप लोगों को सबसे पहले सारे सबको you will get the access to EV Essential 1 and EV Essential 2. These are two foundational courses which are meant to establish foundation in the EV technology. Please do not expect these courses to be in depth. EV Essential 1 and 2 इतना depth में नहीं होंगे. They will be provide you. They will start establishing the foundation of your EV technology. ठीक है? So these are the two courses which all of you are going to receive. Okay? ये पहले दो course आपको सबको मिलेंगे. Okay? These are two courses which are common across all the programs. ये courses सभी के लिए common होंगे. Okay, because if I give you an example, for example, when I was in BTech, जब मैं BTech कर रही थी, तो there were few subjects which were common across all the batches. सभी branches के लिए, mechanical वाला भी हो, चाहे electrical वाला, चाहे electronics वाला, there were some subjects which were read by all the branches. Okay, ऐसे subjects हुआ करते थे first semester में, जो सब branches के लिए common होते थे. So take EV Essential 1 and EV Essential 2 like that only. That these are the two subjects which are common for all the branches. Once you complete those two courses, then I will enroll you in the next set of courses according to your program. जब आपने वो दो कोर्स कर दिया, मुझे पता चल जाएगा and I'll enroll you in the next set of courses according to your program. Okay? मैं PG student को PG program के according program दूंगी, course 3 दूंगी, 3rd, 4th, नैनो डिग्री वालों को उसके अकॉर्डिंग उसका कोर्स दूंगी एंड 3 मंथ्स वालों को उनके अकॉर्डिंग गिव देम एक्सेस टू द कोर्स. ठीक है, यू ऑल विल रिसीव द एक्सेस टू 2 कोर्स फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. पहले 2 कोर्सेज का एक्सेस, EV Essential 1 एंड EV Essential 2. दीस कोर्सेज एस्टैब्लिश द फाउंडेशन इन EV टेक्नोलॉजी. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि पूरा एक बार में पूरा EV टेक्नोलॉजी समझ में आ जाएगा. आप लोग इस कोर्सेज से यू विल गेट एन ओवरव्यू. ठीक है, ओवरव्यू मिलेगा आप लोगों को. नाउ So you will find in your dashboard, आपको अभी डैशबोर्ड में अगर आपने अभी क्रिएट किया अकाउंट, आपको में भी कोई भी कोर्स ना दिखे because I have not enrolled you in the course yet. Okay, usually in the morning we download that report. हम मॉर्निंग में वो रिपोर्ट डाउनलोड करते हैं किस बच्चे ने साइन अप किया है and then we provide them the course. ठीक है, alright. So and आप जिसने अकाउंट ऑलरेडी क्रिएट कर दिया है, लेट्स से कल क्रिएट कर दिया था, they must find what these 2 courses. आपको ये 2 courses दिखेंगे डैशबोर्ड में, सारे courses नहीं देखेंगे. ठीक है, you will get the access to other courses once you complete these 2 courses. ठीक है, now let us enter into the course में जाते हैं. This is your EV Essential 1. If I want to enter into the course, I'll click on this course name, EV Essential 1. As you can see, this is the course landing page. Course landing page है. What is this course landing page? It tells us about the it tells us about what exactly EV Essential 1 is offering. See, EV Essential 1, this is the course title. All right, and this is a brief introduction about EV Essential 1. I'll be honest with you, EV Essential 1 gives, comprehensive overview of the EV landscape, like how it evolved from ICE to EV, what is the technology behind EV. एक मतलब general overview दे देता है ये EVs के बारे में. And take it as a computer, like whenever we read computer, you remember the first unit of computer was like what are the 4th generation of computer, what is a computer, ऐसा होता था. Similarly, we have designed EV Essential 1. Okay, now if you scroll down a bit, अगर आप नीचे जाओगे थोड़ा, you will find few important tabs. आपको कुछ important tabs मिलेंगे, course info, review, announcement, gradebook, resource. I'll discuss these tabs one by one. आपको ये one by one tab discuss करती हूँ. Right now we are at course info. हम अभी course information tab पे हैं. ठीक है? In this course information, you will find the course curriculum. Okay. In this course information, you will find In course information, you will find the curriculum of EV Essential 1. Curriculum मतलब what we are covering in EV Essential 1. We have 4 modules. 4 modules है EV Essential 1 में. This is module 1, 2, 3, 4. If you put your cursor here ना, अगर आप cursor यहाँ देखोगे, you will find a brief introduction of the module 1. कि भाई what is module 1 about? Similarly, what is module 2 about? And so on, right? Now, if you click on module 1, you will find the subtopics. ठीक है, कि हम module 1 में what we are covering? We are covering around 17 topics. These are video lectures. ये video lectures हैं. That is why it is in duration is written. कि first topic is of 14 minutes and so on. What is this? At the end of every module, you will find a quiz. हर module के end पे आपको quiz मिल जाएगा. ठीक है? Passing in the quiz is mandatory. passing in the quiz will be mandatory. Usually 3 attempts are given. 3 attempts दिए जाते हैं. 60% is the passing marks. All right. Yeah. If on module 2, you will find 13 topics and so on. Okay. Module 3, you have 24 topics and so on. Right. Now, what is next? One second. Yeah. At the end, you will find a project. See, you will find a project attached with every course. आपको हर कोर्स के साथ एक प्रोजेक्ट मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. ठीक है. For example, EV Essential 1 project is design and development of a drivetrain architecture for electric vehicle. You have to design and develop a drivetrain architecture. It will be a theoretical project. Why? Because EV Essential 1 is a theoretical course. ये theoretical course है, कोई software course नहीं है, तो उसके accordingly project भी is a theoretical project. ठीक है. Now, next is earn certificate. See, of course, at the end of 12 months, after you have completed all your courses, or at the end of 6 months, or at the end of 3 months, you will get a final certificate. आप लोगों को एक final certificate मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. But even in this, after you complete every course in this e-mobility academy, आप जब हर course complete करोगे e-mobility पर, you will find what? You will find a certificate automatically generated by the system. System automatically एक certificate आपको generate करके दे देगा. ठीक है? Yeah. Next is what are the information is there in the course information tab. You can see we have course curriculum, modules. What are the modules? What is the project attached with this course? Okay. Yeah. What is the certificate? Of course. What is there any hardware or software needed? See, EV Essential is a theoretical course. I'll be honest with you. You might find it a bit boring. थोड़ा boring लगेगा क्योंकि थोड़ा theoretical course है. इसमें कोई software का इस्तेमाल नहीं है. So that is why it is written. None of the software is needed. What is associated skills? Associated skills means क्या key important चीज it is covering. For example, it is covering battery system, it is covering EV engineering, EV fundamental, and so on. Then I said DIY project, right? Yeah. Like I said, in every course you will find a project attached. In this course, we have this project, design and development of a drivetrain architecture. The same project is mentioned here also. इस project का मैंने just एक brief यहाँ पे लिखा है, ठीक है? कि what is this project about? Then we have what benefit professional will have after going through this course. इस course को करने के बाद professional को क्या benefit होगा, fresher को क्या benefit होगा, and so on. It's like a, course landing page. That what is the benefit of this? What is this course providing? What is the benefit of this course? That's it. Okay. What technical expertise one will gain, and what are the job areas where this course is related with? Okay, and so on. Right? Yeah. Next is review tab. What is this review tab? If if you feel like giving any reviews to the course, you can give. All right. What is announcement? See, I'll be honest with you. Sometimes we make changes to the course according to the feedback. Like जैसे अभी हमें feedback मिला, तो we will make changes to the course in the coming times in this course. So whenever we make changes in the course, ना, we will inform our students about it. अगर मैं EV Essential 1 में कोई कोड चेंज कर रही हूँ, तो मैं अपने स्टूडेंट्स को भी इन्फॉर्म करूंगी. And how I will inform my students? By making an announcement, by posting an announcement. एक announcement post करके. Like some time ago, 2 e-books were attached to this course. 2 e-books attached to this course के साथ. ठीक है? Okay. So in order to inform my students about the same, I posted announcement. मैंने announcement post करी. All those announcements will be visible here. वो सारी announcement यहाँ पे होंगी, and in fact you will receive an email as well. आपको email भी आएगा announcement का whenever I'll be posting announcement. See, by e-mobility academy, whenever we will be posting announcement, आपको email भी आएगा. ठीक है? What is this grade book? See, I told you that at the end of every module you will find what? Quiz. आपको हर module के बाद में quiz मिलेगा. ठीक है? Right? And passing in the quiz is mandatory. इस quiz में pass होना mandatory है. Even this project, it carries 100 marks. ये project जो है ना, it carries the marks of 100. And passing in the project is mandatory. 60 is the passing marks here also. इस project में भी pass होना mandatory होता. 60 is the passing marks. So, do you know when the system will generate the certificate? System आपको कब certificate generate करेगा? 1, when you have watched all these lessons. जब आपने सारे lessons देख लिए होंगे. 2nd, when you have passed in all the quiz, जब आपने सारे quizzes में pass हो गए होंगे. 3rd, when you have what? When you have passed in the project as well, जब आपने project में भी pass हो गए होंगे. So when all these 3 conditions are fulfilled, ना, only then the system will automatically generate the certificate. You don't even need to come to me. आपको मेरे पास आने की भी जरूरत नहीं है कि मैम मेरा course complete हो गया. नहीं. ठीक है? The system will generate automatically the certificate for you, provided you have watched all the lesson. you have successfully passed in all the quiz and you have successfully passed in the project. ठीक है? So what is this grade book, my friends? Grade book. Oh, sorry. What is it?
Yeah, I have one question. Whether
Yes.
we have a re-attempt for examination or the
Yes.
schedule you have given.
No. Yes, you have. Of course
Basically,
you have.
if we okay, re-attempt option is there.
Yes. You have nothing to worry about. Okay, it's not that stringent. It's just that passing is compulsory, and student they pass. It's not that tough. You will be also able to do it. Okay.
Okay.
Now, so what is this grade book? Yeah, grade book is like your report card, like how the student has performed. Like in module 1 quiz 1, I got A+. In module 2 quiz, I got A+. Module 3 quiz, I got A+. Module 4 quiz, I got A+. And finally, even in the project, I got A+. So based on my performance in all these 5 tests, system ne calculated a final grade. System ne final grade calculate kiya. And you know where this final grade is printed? The final grade is printed here in your certificate. The final grade कहाँ पे print होता है? आपके certificate पे print होता है. ठीक है? All right. I'll show you the marking scheme. मैंने announcement पे I had posted it once. मैंने एक बार marking scheme post की थी announcement पे. See, if I'm scoring between 90 to 100%, I will get A+. If I score between 70 to 79%, I'll get A-. If I get score between 60 to 69, I'll get B+. So based on this marking scheme, system will give you marks, okay, and grade. All right. And this final grade is printed where? On the certificate. Last is the resources section. What is this resources section, friends? Here you will find some important study material. Dekho. We have 4 modules here, right? Module 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 modules हमारे पास, right? So what we have done now, we have attached the PPT of every module in the resources. Look at this. See, EV Essential 1 Module 1 PPT, EV Essential 1 Module 2 PPT, Module 3 PPT is in 2 parts, and finally Module 4 PPT. I'll click on EV Essential 1 Module 1 PPT to show you. मैं आपको Module 1 PPT पे click करती हूँ. It is uploading. Sorry, I mean it is appearing on the screen. See, this is the PPTs with which the trainer has taught you in the course. ठीक है? इस PPT से trainer ने course पे वो किया है. All right. Okay, so these are like notes for you. Module 1 PPT. Okay. Okay, Module 2 PPT, and all these PPTs are there. Apart from this, we have 2 ebooks here also. यहाँ पे 2 ebooks भी attached है. It is only for your reference, and you can download these PPTs as well. This is one ebook, EV Technology. Yeah, it is just for your reference. If someone wants to go deeper into EV technology, उसके reference के लिए, that's it. ठीक है? Now, what apart from these, what documents we have here? If you remember, I told you we have a project. हमें हर course पे you will find a project in every course. Okay, we have this project 1. Look at this. You know, when I get into the course ना project, you will find the project details there also. आपको course के अंदर भी project details मिलेगी. But I have put this project detail here also. मैंने यहाँ पे भी रखा है. Where is it? Here it is. Project statement for EV Essential 1. Let me show you this project statement. Okay. Yeah, this is the project statement. You will find this project statement in this resources section also, and here also. यहाँ पे भी आपको project statement. When I'll get into the course ना, I'll show you the project section. ठीक है? देखो, I'll give you just quick overview कैसे क्या होता है project. Look at this. Design of a drivetrain architecture for electric vehicle. Okay, this is a project. And see, let me tell you, all the courses will contain a project. सभी courses में आपको, it's okay, Jaswant, if you have not cleared 3 attempts, let me, you can inform me. I'll delete that attempt. My end, मैंने end से वो attempt delete कर दूँगी, and then you will be able to reappear. ठीक है? Now, what is this? What I was saying, कि you will find a project attached with every course. Only EV Essential 1 and EV Essential 2 project are not mandatory for you. सिर्फ ये दो courses के project आपके लिए mandatory नहीं है. That means you can skip EV Essential 1 and EV Essential 2 projects. आप इन दोनों projects को skip कर सकते हो. But for all of the courses, projects are mandatory. सभी courses के लिए project mandatory है. Okay, which means you will have to mandatorily submit a project, and those projects will be evaluated by the trainers. Rahul sir, Ashutosh sir, Satyam sir, Divyani ma'am, they will be evaluating your projects and will give you marks out of 100. ठीक है? But EV Essential 1 and EV Essential 2 project are not compulsory. सिर्फ EV Essential 1 and 2 के project compulsory नहीं है क्योंकि foundation course है, so we are giving one leniency to the students. ठीक है? But still I want you to see how the project statement looks like. Say design of a drivetrain architecture, and it is written a note here. For PG student, for nano degree, for specialization, this project is not allowed. But you can skip it. You can submit an NOC. I'll tell you what is NOC. Okay, let us look at this project quickly. Project says design and development of a drivetrain architecture. आप लोगों को एक architecture बनाना है drivetrain का for electric vehicle. Project objective is given here, right? Yeah. What is this objective? जहाँ पे पूरा बता रखा है. Student has to design a theoretical drivetrain architecture. See, of course, this project, like I told you, EV Essential 1 is a theoretical course. एक theoretical course है. So we won't expect you to draw a practical drivetrain. Obviously, हम ये expect नहीं करेंगे. तो आपको क्या करना होगा? एक theoretical drivetrain बनाना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? Utilizing their understanding of EV technology, component and system as taught in the course. मतलब इस course में जैसे जैसे आपको EV technology पढ़ाई गई, the components that were covered, based on that understanding, you will have to design a theoretical drivetrain. ठीक है? Then project description is written here. A proper guidance is given here that student will leverage the knowledge acquired throughout the course module to conceptualize an EV drivetrain. कि मतलब student क्या करेगा ना, जो भी उसको knowledge इस course से मिला है, he will utilize that knowledge to conceptualize an EV drivetrain, एक EV drivetrain बनाने के लिए. The student will show what key components such as powertrain. आपको सब पता चल जाएगा what is powertrain from here. ठीक है? EV Essential 1 से. Student will have to show key components like powertrain, battery management, charging infrastructure, energy storage. Okay, and students are expected to consider factors like this. So everything is covered here. ठीक है? यहाँ पे already covered है. Now, student will present a rationale for the design choice they make based on the transition for, look at this co-pilot. Yeah, okay. So this is the project statement. Next is key deliverable. Yeah. Hanji, do you have a query? Maybe not. Okay. Yeah. Key deliverables भी दे रखा project में. See, क्या करना है मतलब how the student has to approach the project. Proper guidance you will find in every project. Look at this. Student will first choose the type of electrical vehicle they are designing the drivetrain for. देखो, see there are 4 types of EV. 4 types के EV होते हैं. You will get to know this in this course. EV Essential 1 में आपको पता जाएगा कि there are 4 types of EV. 4 types के electric vehicle होते हैं. Okay, there is a battery electric vehicle, there is hybrid, there is plug-in hybrid, there is fuel cell EV. ठीक है? तो student को क्या करना होगा ना? Student will have to design a drivetrain. एक उसको drivetrain बनाना है. So when he is designing a drivetrain, he can choose any electric vehicle. आप इन चारों में से कोई भी choose कर सकते हो. But student just has to justify it कि why it is designing the drivetrain of a particular electric vehicle. See, it's not that मैं आपको course करा रही हूँ. मैं just आपको बता रही हूँ how we have to approach a project. It's just like that. ठीक है? So please nothing to worry about. आप परेशान नहीं होना. कि how a project is approached. आप लोगों के काम आता है जब आप project करते हो ना, idea मिल जाता है. Then student will have to पूरा deliverables दे रखा है. See, key points are designed. Powertrain architecture. कि student has to now give a layout of the powertrain. He has to show major components like motor, transmission, power electronics. Then the student has to show the battery and charging. Student has to show the energy management and so on. Okay? So this is the project statement, and you will be able to cover this project after going through this course. Now, like I said, EV Essential 1 project is not mandatory for you. EV Essential 2 project is not mandatory for you. ये दोनों courses के project आपके लिए mandatory नहीं है. You can skip it. But suppose if you want to see Google Calendar की ऐसी notifications आती है friends whenever you have a class, and see even the class description is visible here, right? So कोई point ही नहीं आता confusion का. All right. Now, next is what I was saying. Now, so suppose if the project is not mandatory for you, you can skip it. अगर project mandatory नहीं है, आप उसको skip कर सकते हो. I will give you 100 out of 100. Why? Because it is an optional project. But if the project is mandatory for you, you will have to submit it in a proper format. अगर project आपके लिए mandatory है, आपको proper format में submit करना होगा, right? And वो कहाँ मिलेगा आपको? Format यहाँ पे, which is project synopsis format. ठीक है? If a project is mandatory for you, you will not submit the project in a random document. आप random document में project नहीं submit करोगे. You will submit the project in a proper format, which is this project synopsis format. ठीक है? You will find this project synopsis format inside the course as well. Course में भी आपको ये project ये मिलेगा. ठीक है? मैंने resources में भी रखा है. I'll show you the project synopsis format. See, it is this. जब भी if a project is mandatory and if you have to submit it, you will submit a project in this format. There is this format. It is this project synopsis format. This is the project synopsis format. Enter your project name. अपना project name यहाँ डालना. If suppose if you are doing this project, even though it is not mandatory for you, I'm just giving an example. You have to put your project name here. You will have to enter your name here. Already यहाँ पे course का name is already mentioned here. EV Essential 1. ठीक है? Mention the date here. Okay. Table of content you can keep it as it is. Yeah, as it is है. मैं आपको बताऊंगी क्या क्या है. List of table. What is it? इसका मतलब if you are using any comparison table, suppose आपने कोई table use किया inside the project. If you are using a comparison table of IC in electric vehicle, if you are using a comparison table of any table जहाँ पे आप, for example, what is the difference between battery electric vehicle or IC vehicle, ठीक है? If you are using any table, just mention it here in your project, ठीक है? अगर आप नहीं कर रहे हो use कोई table, तो delete this page, not an issue. Next, list of figure. What it means? If you are using any image in the project, आप अगर कोई भी image use कर रहे हो project में, ठीक है? Just put it here. यहाँ पे लिख देना. If you are using any image in the project, just put it here. ठीक है? Next, then your project description starts. आपका project description आप काम करना start करते हो. If you are asked to make any calculation, अगर आपको बोला गया project में calculate the efficiency, calculate this, you have to make those calculations here in the chapter 3. ठीक है? Finally, you have to give the output parameters. ठीक है? You have to give the output parameters here. ठीक है? Okay, it means any output आपके result से जो भी आया. And finally, results and conclusion. All right, I'll show you one sample project very quickly. एक sample project आपको दिखाती हूँ. Yeah. Okay, ये student ने submit किया था. Student had submitted it. Design and development C. Okay, same project submit किया था एक बच्चे ने. I'll show you quickly just. Yeah. You know, he list of content according to himself. उसने खुद से एक list of content change किया. All right, yeah. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. Yeah. ठीक है. अब देखो list of figure. What is this list of figure, friends? These are the images that the student has used. Okay, these are the images that the student has used. ये वो images है जो उस बच्चे ने use की in this project, and he has mentioned all these images. See, okay, and these are the comparison table that he used. For example, look at this. He used battery electrical vehicle image in the page 4. Page 4 कहाँ से start हुआ? Project description. So this is page 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at this. ठीक है? So wherever he has used images now, he have put it here. उसने यहाँ पे रख दिया. Okay. Similarly, list of tables में he has used this table in page number 3. Look at this. ठीक है? Now, I'll show you how this student has done this project. This is what, yeah, project description. I'll show you इसने कैसे किया. Just I'm giving you a quick overview. See, design and development of a drivetrain architecture. He says to design and develop a drivetrain architecture for electric vehicle, and you know, इसने थोड़ा सा description किया, and now he starts the project on his own. अब अपना project start किया. See, of course, every student ऐसा नहीं है कि you know, every student can begin the project according to his own understanding, right? अपने understanding के हिसाब से, but he has to ensure that he meets all these key deliverables. उसको ensure करना होगा वो एक key deliverables meet करे, ठीक है? Now, पहले the student he says what is electric vehicle. Okay, he defines what is it, what are the advantages of electric vehicle, what are the disadvantages of electric vehicle, and then he explains what. Although यहाँ पे directly नहीं पूछा गया था कि explain what is electric vehicle, what are the advantages, but he has given a beautiful introduction to this project. Beautifully इसने introduce किया है. All right. Then he explains the powertrain. Okay. That what components the powertrain has. Now, finally यहाँ लिखा था कि भाई student has to present a rationale of the design choice they make based on a transition from ICE to EV technology. So what does this student do now? इसने introduction he changed it according to his own wish. इसने introduction अपने हिसाब से दिया, and it is a beautiful one. And finally he starts with the key deliverable where it is written कि EV type selection. Like I said, student has to choose out of any of these electric vehicle to design the drivetrain. All right. So as you can see, what is this? What is this? What is this to be done? Yeah. So student क्या करता है? He defines all the electric type of electric vehicle. What is the he defines what is a battery electric vehicle, what are the key components, and see he has beautifully drawn the diagram for electric vehicle. वो चारों electric vehicle को explain करा. The student is defining what is electric vehicle and designing the diagram. He has drawn this diagram with his own hands and then scanned the copy and pasted it here. मतलब इस बच्चे ने as it is internet से paste नहीं किया, ठीक है? He drew the diagram with his own hands and then pasted it here. All right. Same goes with hybrid electric vehicle, and he explained all the 4 types of electric vehicle, and then he gave the comparison between the electric vehicle. Okay. It was written here, the student will choose a type of EV they are designing the drivetrain for. Okay, student को electric vehicle choose करना है, and this justification, there should be a brief justification on this. So he explained all the 4 types of electric vehicle, and then he's finally going with fuel cell electric vehicle. ये किसके पास जा रहा है? ये fuel cell electric vehicle दे रहा है. Then उसको powertrain architecture show करना है. So he chooses what? Fuel cell electric vehicle. All right, and he gives the powertrain architecture of the fuel cell EV. Look at this. Okay, the complete architecture of fuel cell EV. Then he shows the battery and charging. See, he has shown the entire working of fuel cell EV, the charging system, the battery system, how it works. Look at this. Okay, he's doing all the deliverable. Energy management system, market and ecosystem consideration. See, EV charging and consideration, market overview, and finally, yeah, sustainability impact. Where it is it? Okay? Yeah. Finally, he enters his details and gives the references. So this is the way one does a project. Okay? बस मैं आप लोगों को एक बात बता दूं. I'll tell you one thing. In EV Essential 1 and 2, I'll give you 100 out of 100. मैं आपको EV Essential 1 and 2 में I'll give you 100 out of 100. मैं आपको 100 out of 100 दूंगी. Why? Because it is an optional project. But for mandatory courses, you will have to mandatorily submit the project, and it will be evaluated by the trainers. They will give you marks out of 100. If you score less than 60 marks, you will be evaluated as failed. If you score more than 60 marks, you will be evaluated as passed. ठीक है? अगर आपके 60 मार्क्स से कम आते हैं, आप फेल डिक्लेयर हो जाओगे. परेशान नहीं होना. You can always be attempted. आप दोबारा सबमिट कर देना प्रोजेक्ट को. Nothing to worry about. And once you score more than 60, you will be evaluated as passed by the system. ठीक है? All right. And suppose if you want to skip the project, अगर आपको EV Essential 1 and 2 नहीं करना है, because it is optional, you will have to submit the NOC, because it is written here now. कि first EV Essential 1 and 2 are optional projects. So if you do not want to do it, you will have to submit the NOC. Where you find the NOC? Again in the resources section. यहाँ पे आपको NOC मिल जाएगा. What is this NOC? Nothing, but it says कि I am this and that student. बस इसमें लिखा हुआ है कि भाई this project is not mandatory. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. You have to just enter your name here in the yellow portion, enter your email ID here in the yellow portion, enter your course name in the yellow portion, and sincerely here. That's it. ठीक है? आपको बस यहाँ पे अपनी details enter करनी है, right? And you will have to submit the NOC in case if you want to skip the project. अब कहाँ पे submit करना है NOC या फिर project? I'll show you. ठीक है? Now we will get into the course. अब हम course में जाएंगे. I just 10 minutes more. I'm sorry. I know it's a bit late. Just 10 minutes more. ठीक है? I'm in the enroll course section. कैसे गई? 3 dots, dashboard, enroll course. ठीक है? this is your, I want to show you something, EVS 2, I want to show you something. One second, huh? Just 10 more minutes, all right? Oh, what is it? Yeah. Suppose now you want to start your course. अब आपको course में जाना है. You want to enter into the course. Course में कैसे जाते हैं हम? Do you see on the right side at a glance? At a glance आपको दिख रहा है? उसके नीचे you will find a start learning और continue learning tab. कौन सा tab मिलेगा आपको? Start learning और continue learning tab. You will have to click on it. आपको बस उस पर click करना है. Once you click on it, you will get into the course. ठीक है, आप कोर्स में आ जाओगे. Alright, look at this. Yeah. ठीक है, as you can see, 4 modules on the left. First is welcome slide, last is the project, table of content. ठीक है, okay, first is welcome slide, last is the project, first module. I am here right now. Topic 1. मैं अभी topic 1 पे. Now I want to explain 3 features of eMobility Academy, which you might find bit boring or bit irritating. आपको थोड़ा सा ये चीज 3 features थोड़े बुरे लग सकते हैं, but it is necessary. First feature is what? क्या हुआ? Yeah. Look at this. Look at my cursor. Do you see the lock? यहाँ पे lock present है, right? Topic यहाँ पे lock present है. What does it mean? इसका मतलब that you cannot. First restriction of eMobility Academy is that you cannot jump to a topic randomly. आप randomly topic पे jump नहीं कर सकते. मतलब आपने सोचा okay, you're starting the course and you thought okay, let me start with topic 7. मैं topic 7 पे start करता हूँ. Let us say I'll go to topic 7 and see it is locked here. Huh? What does it mean? Yeah, see, look at this. देख रहे हो आप? क्या? Please complete the previous lesson first. So what does this lock means? इसका मतलब you will find the topics locked until you complete the current lesson at what you are. ठीक है? जब तक आप एक लेसन को कंप्लीट ना कर दो ना, you will find the other topics locked. आपको लॉक दिखेंगे बाकी टॉपिक्स. ठीक है? मतलब you will have to first complete the topic 1. When you will complete the topic 1, only then the topic 2 will unlock. ठीक है? The topics unlock in a sequence. Topic एक sequence में unlock कर. You will first have to complete topic 1. Once you complete the topic 1, only then you will be able to attend the topic 2. Only then topic 2 open up. ठीक है? Only then topic 2 open होगा तब जब आप topic 1 complete करोगे. Okay? Yeah. All right. Okay. So this is the first restriction that you cannot jump to a topic randomly. आप randomly किसी topic पे jump नहीं कर सकते. You will have to first complete the topic at what you are. जब आप complete कर लोगे, once you complete the topic, only then the topic 2 will open up. And once you complete the topic 2, only then the topic 3 will open up. ठीक है? Next. This is the first restriction. Second restriction is this. You cannot fast forward the video. ठीक है? आप वीडियो को फास्ट फॉरवर्ड नहीं कर सकते हो. ठीक है? Because it is not a YouTube. Let me tell you. पता है, if you do not place this restriction, a student will complete all the 15 courses in one go. And what is the point, right? So this is not a YouTube. You cannot fast forward it. You will have to watch the course at its own pace. आपको कोर्स आपकी ही पेस में देखना होगा. ठीक है? This is the second restriction. Now, third. आपको लगा रहे मैम दिस इज टफ. व्हाट वी हैव अ लीनियंसी फॉर यू. आपको एक लीनियंसी दे रखी है. क्या लीनियंसी है वो? लुक एट माय कर्सर फ्रेंड्स. यू हैव 2 ऑप्शंस. आइदर यू वॉच दिस लेसन फॉर एंटायर 8 मिनट 20 सेकंड्स, या फिर और यू वॉच दिस लेसन 75%. आप इस लेसन को 75% देखो एंड क्लिक ऑन मार्क एज कंप्लीट. ठीक है? व्हाट आई सेड, The topic 2 will open up only when topic 1 will be completed. Topic 2 तभी open होगा जब topic 1 complete हो जाएगा, ठीक है? Topic 1 complete कैसे कर सकते हो आप? How you can complete the topic 1? Either you watch the entire lesson, आप पूरा lesson देखो, या फिर और you watch this lesson 75%, आप इस lesson को 75% देखो, this mark is complete tab will enabled, ये tab open हो जाएगा, click on it and then your topic 1 will be completed. ठीक है? So what I'm saying that you do not have to watch the entire 100% lesson. You can watch 75% of the lesson. Once you have watched this lesson 75%, this tab will open up. ये tab open हो जाएगा and topic 1 will be marked as completed and topic 2 will open up. ठीक है? These were the 3 restrictions that I wanted to tell you. Then देखो ऐसे आता है, देख रहे हो आप? Once the topic is completed, now this green tick mark comes. And ये कैसे आएगा? And only then, when this green tick marks come, only then the topic 2 will open up. And when the topic 2 is completed, again here green tick mark will come, only then the topic 3 will open up. ठीक है? तो कैसे आएगा green tick mark? You have to either you watch this lesson completely or you watch this lesson 75%. When you have watched this lesson 75%, this tab will open up, click on it, and a green tick mark will come here and topic 2 will unlock. ठीक है? What is this e-mobility career? This is e-mobility career is actually, this is our new platform, e-mobility career. What we are trying to do now, we are trying to get all the EV companies on board. हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि सारी EV companies यहाँ पे e-mobility.career पे अपना account create करें and even our students create an account so that they can apply on this portal. ठीक है? Placement session में you will be explain more about this portal. ठीक है? Now, all right. So even here also यहाँ पे mark is complete था. Here also you would find the mark is complete tab. So जब आप when you start studying the course ना, go to the mark is complete tab. Mark is complete tab पे जाना and click on the mark is complete tab. Only then यहाँ पे appear and topic 1 will be unlocked. ठीक है? Now just 5 to 7 more minutes. If I want to go back to the page, just click on the course title. Course title पे click करोगे ना, you will go back to this page. Which page? This page. ठीक है? अब मुझे आपको just project section बताना है. How you have to submit the project? Let me tell you. Okay, just quickly I'll show you. I'm really sorry. I don't know why this session stretches so far. तो हो गया है. All right, yeah, look at this, friends. I want to show you something about the project section. मैं आपको एक project section दिखाना चाहती हूँ बस कि how to submit the report and all. See, ऐसे आता है, ठीक है? देखो, once I've completed the course ना, blue tick appears like this. And one thing, the restrictions that I just mentioned, those restrictions go away once you have completed the course. Actually, just give me 1 minute, huh? Just give me 1 minute. Thank you. Huh? Yeah. So I want to tell you, see, all the restriction, which I just mentioned go away once you have completed the course. Matlab, dekho, I can see, I can fast forward the video. Okay? I can move to any lesson. All the restrictions go away. Okay? So those restrictions are in place only for the first time. सिर्फ पहली बार के लिए वो restrictions in place होती हैं, ठीक है? All right, yeah. So those restrictions are in place only for the first time. Once you have completed the course now, all the restrictions go away. ठीक है? Now I wanted to show you the project part, how you have to submit the project. ठीक है? We have, like I said, modules, quiz is done. Now we'll go to project part. Project part में क्या होता है ना? Let me click on the design and development project. This is how the project window looks like. मैंने already students को show किया था. See, आपको ऐसा कुछ दिखेगा. देखो 100 marks से देख रहे हो आप? 100 marks का है, passing is the 60 marks, 6 attempts are given here, but you might not need even more than 2 attempts. 1 attempt is more than enough for you. This is the project statement, if you remember. The project title, I pasted what? Project title as it is. Project title, project objective, look at this. मैंने as it is paste कर दिया. And even project description. अब of course it was not possible for me कि मैं पूरा का पूरा यहाँ पे statement ही print कर दूँ. So what I said, मैंने क्या बोला? The detailed project statement and the project synopsis format is attached here and is also available for download under the resources tab. What does it mean? If you remember, मैंने ये वाला project आपको resources tab से show किया था, right? I have shown this project in the resources tab, right? And so I've written the same thing here. The detailed project statement and the project synopsis format is attached here also. यहाँ पे भी attached है. कहाँ पे? ये देखो. यहाँ पे भी attached है, right? And कहाँ पे? And resources maybe, if you remember. ठीक है? And like I said, the project is mandatory only for MTech and individual student. For our PG student, nano degree specialization, this project is not applicable. Which is this EV Essential 1 project. Please remember, EV Essential 1 and EV Essential 2 projects are not mandatory for you. You can skip it. All right? After that, all the projects are compulsory for you. ठीक है? अब मैंने क्या किया? Suppose I wanted to submit. आपको भी यहाँ पे ऐसा दिखेगा, submit मिलेगा. Why resubmit for me? Because I've already submitted thrice. मैंने 3 बार submit कर दिया. So once I click on, you will also have to click on this submit. If you want to submit the project or even if you want to skip the project, आपको submit करना ही पड़ेगा. ये खुल जाएगा. ठीक है? This window will open up. Suppose if you're skipping this project, to mention here, please find the attached NOC. ठीक है? Please find the NOC attached NOC. Okay? By मतलब कि I am skipping the project as it is not mandatory for me. Okay? ये project आपके लिए mandatory नहीं है, तो you will skip the project. Please find the NOC attached whatever. ठीक है? Now you will choose the file. Okay, यहाँ पे you will have to attach what? This NOC if you are skipping the project, and if you are submitting the project, you will have to submit the project synopsis. ठीक है? Here you have to attach your file. आपको यहाँ पे file attach करनी होगी. ठीक है? If you submit a PDF, it is better. Suppose if I'm skipping the project, I will attach what? NOC. मैं NOC attach कर दूंगी. If I'm skipping the project. ठीक है? That's it. And I will click on submit. And if I am submitting a project, I'm sorry. If I'm actually submitting a project, sorry, 1 second. One second, sorry. So sorry, it will be anyways. Okay. And suppose if you want to submit the project report, तो आपको क्या करोगे? You will again have to choose file, all right, and just submit here your project report. ठीक है? Okay, and your project report must be in this project synopsis format. And if you ever face any issues na in the project, you can drop a message on the group, or even you can drop a mail on support. We will, we'll organize one-on-one session with the tech team. ठीक है? And then click on submit assignment. Once you have clicked on submit assignment, na, I'll show you what will happen. See, आपका भी ऐसी issue होगा. Result is pending. Now, who will give you marks? We will give you marks. ठीक है? If it is an optional project, I will give you 100 out of 100 without any doubt. ठीक है? Okay? And you will be declared as passed by the system. And if it is a mandatory project, your projects will be evaluated by the trainers. आपके projects आपके trainers evaluate करेंगे, like Divyani ma'am, Rahul sir, Ashutosh sir, and they will properly give you marks. And if you think you can cheat, you can try to, you can try, but somehow they catch it. Okay, especially the software projects. जो software projects होते हैं ना, MATLAB, ANSYS, teachers easily, they catch this thing. They know कि the student has copied from somewhere or whatever. Even if you have copied it from ChatGPT, teachers get to know. I don't know. They have some instinct. All right. So, see, once you have been, based on your earnings score, your status will reflect here. But आपको एक चीज बताऊंगी मैं. I want to tell you something important. If you click on the details ना, क्या आएगा? sorry, what is it? I wanted to show you feedback. Actually क्या होता है ना, whenever you submit a project na, I will share you, the instructor will share you a detailed feedback. I don't know why it is not visible right now, but we always share a detailed feedback. हाँ ये देखो, look at this friends. See, I got 61 marks. And see, look at the detailed feedback that the instructor has shared. You have successfully passed your project. However, there's still significant room for improvement. Please review the following suggestion. Add this. Please more. देख लो, आपको भी ऐसी proper feedback मिलेगा by the trainers. ठीक है? All right. So finally, once everything is done, once you have So once everything is done, that is, once you have watched all the lessons, once you have performed well in the quiz, passed in the quiz, once you have passed in the DIY project, your continue learning tab will automatically change to view certificate. देख रहे हो आप, ये automatically view certificate में बदल जाएगा. You do not even need to come to me. And if you click on view certificate, I'll show you the how certificate appears. Okay, certificate is appearing on the window. Just 1 second, huh? Yeah, see, this is how the certificate appears. This is for an individual course. Okay, and EV Essential 1, course name is mentioned, my name is mentioned here. When did you complete the course? What is the course duration? कितने घंटे का course था? How much grade you got? This is CEO Avinash sir signature. This is CTO ISA signature, and you have a QR code here. This is verified. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? If you copy, if you scan this certificate will appear. Okay, आप इसको वो भी कर सकते हो. If you copy the credentials ना and open it in a private window, तो आपका certificate ही दिखेगा आपको without even signing in. ये this is a incognito window. अगर मैं इसको open करूँ URL को, see, देखो, I have not even signed in, but my certificate is visible here. ठीक है? You can also download this certificate. Download कर सकते हो PDF पे. Okay, this is a certificate. It will be downloaded, and then you can flaunt it in LinkedIn if you want to. All right, bus, that's it. And please remember, whenever you will always get a notification whenever you're enrolled in a new course. जब भी आप देखो, मेरा project assignment वो हुआ ना, evaluate. See, I got a notification. If I click it on here, देखो, देख रहे हो आप? This is how the instructor note appears. आपको, you will also receive an email whenever you are enrolled in a new course. जब भी आप नए course में enroll होते हो, you will find what, you will get a mail. तो for every small things you will get a mail. ठीक है? Whenever announcement is posted, you will receive a mail. All right. If I go back to my dashboard, अगर मैं दोबारा अपने dashboard पे जाऊँ, if I go back to enroll course, look at this bell icon. ये bell icon है. All right. Here also notifications appear whenever my assignment is graded, whenever my course, I'm enrolled in the course, and so on, so forth. ठीक है? So this is how, see, I know it was a lengthy session, but somehow I try my best to explain you things. I know it's getting late for the dinner, but is it okay? आपको समझ में आया? Give me thumbs up if it is the case. Thanks Abhishek. Thanks Ishan. Thanks Amit. Thanks Katha. Thanks Noor. Thank you everyone. Thanks Praveen. Okay, and whenever you face any technical doubt, nothing to worry about. You just drop a message, or you can, we have a tech team here. We have Mr. Satyam. Okay. Anji, एक second. We have Gunjan. Okay. Yes, Vivek. Anji. Okay. ठीक है. Okay. Everything. हाँ. जी. Okay. Thank you everyone for your time. Okay. I'll share the recording of this session. मैं इस session की recording share कर दूँगी. ठीक है? And okay, and we'll share the steps on how to install the Google Calendar app, everything. On Monday, I'll show you what classes you have to attend. And please start your LMS courses on your eMobility Academy. अपने courses start कीजिए, because at the end of the day, you will receive the final certificate based on those courses. ठीक है? Thank you very much for your time. I know it's late. Thank you very much for being here. Okay. Bye-bye everyone. You can leave the meeting.
Hello.
Hanji Amit. Yes. Thank you.
Ma'am, please, will you be keep here for 5 minutes?
हाँ जी अमित.
Yeah. Yeah.
हाँ.
Ma'am, I was already been working as a model-based developer, having around 4+ years of experience, and was looking for the course which is related to the AutoSAR stack development, like AutoSAR development. I mean,
Hmm.
AutoSAR
Hmm.
using
Okay.
DaVinci and TBtraces.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
as I can
हाँ
see,
जी.
I went through. I was there from start of this session. So it was quite good information. And you also constructed this
Hmm.
course is in very well manner. So my doubt is,
Hmm.
as I've been already been a MBD professional, so is it possible that
Hmm.
to jump into the AutoSAR, or do I need to take any uh, complete these MBD assessments and the projects, then only it will go for the AutoSAR. So how it is actually? I mean, is it
See,
possible to jump into AutoSAR directly?
no, not for the first 2 months at least. Not for the first 2 months at least. I'll be honest with you.
Mm-hmm.
Nitu, who is your
Okay.
counselor? Hello.
Amit, who is your counselor?
Hello.
Who is the
हाँ जी
counselor?
आप.
You connected with any counselor, Mr. Bhupendra or Jishan? Anyone?
Just Aman. I was
Aman.
there.
Okay, not a problem. I will arrange a call back from tomorrow. Okay, so he will guide you regarding the AutoSAR and ADAS program.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, Amit, but for the first 2 months you will at least have to go through some basics. But okay, but do not worry. In the okay, are you interested in ADAS as well?
Yes. Aman explained me about the AutoSAR and ADAS and AutoSAR project.
ADAS. So you are interested in both the courses, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay,
So see,
don't.
हाँ जी, yeah, don't worry. Okay, वैसे usually we follow a proper sequence only. ठीक है? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, usually we prefer to follow proper sequence. Okay. So, but sometimes we can make exceptions on case by case basis. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But for
So
AutoSAR,
that.
yeah,
That's
tell
what
me.
I asked. It is a very good. I mean, the course
Hmm.
material also very good. I guess
Hmm.
the training material.
Yeah,
So
but yeah,
if it is
so,
mandatory to complete it, so what I will do, I will manage my time, and according to it, I will complete those modules, and later and then only will go for the AutoSAR.
Okay,
I mean,
okay.
that's what actually I want to
Not a
and
problem,
information.
Amit. I will personally call you tomorrow. Okay, I will assist you. Okay.
Sure.
Lakshmi, do you have any
We'll
doubt
discuss it.
with the ADAS and
No worries.
AutoSAR program? Lakshmi, are you there?
Hello. Yes.
Yeah, Lakshmi. How was the session?
Yeah, it was good session.
Okay, so your friend Sanjana and Alvin is joined the session or not?
Yes, they have also joined.
Okay, if you have any doubt, you can connect with me personally. I will help you. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Now you can leave the meeting. Just drop. If you have any doubt, just drop me a message. Okay.
May I know when the session will be started? Like on Monday onwards?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I will connect you personally. Don't worry.
Okay.
This is the induction classes, na, Lakshmi?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you everyone for your time. Hanji, thank you everyone for your time. Bye bye.